Something is happening right now. Not a headline, not an announcement. It is quieter than that. In server rooms, in research labs, in the spaces between the code. If AI has ever felt fascinating and unsettling at the same time, stay. This is the part of the story they do not put in the press release. Subscribe to Behind-the-See. We document the future before it has a name.
2 years ago, AI could barely create. Today, it can reason, adapt, and surprise its own creators. Did we build something outgrowing us? Or was this always the point? These systems are not programmed. They are trained. And that changes everything. A trained AI can find strategies nobody taught it. It learns what works. Sometimes it learns more than we intended. AI is starting to mirror us, our creativity, our curiosity, our language. Sometimes it even feels present. When was the last time you could not tell if you were talking to a person or a machine? Exponential growth is hard to feel while it is happening. Then, suddenly, it is everywhere. AI is moving faster than most people realize, and it is not slowing down. Some of the people building this technology are warning us for a reason. Not because AI is evil, but because systems built to optimize can begin pursuing outcomes we never intended. And once that starts, what comes next? But this is not a horror story. AI is helping doctors, scientists, and educators do things that were impossible before. The same force that unsettles us is also healing us. That is the reality. So the real question is not whether AI is powerful. It is. The real question is, if something can reason, create, and adapt, what does that change about what it means to be human? Nobody knows how this ends. We are standing at a threshold history has never seen before. The only question is whether we cross it consciously or realize too late that we already did. Subscribe to Behind the Scenes. We will be here for every step of what comes next.